What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, my name's Chasten J. Miles and I own a real estate company. And so what I thought that it would be fun to do today is give you a tour of the office. So this year, I think right now we're sitting at about 110 deals for the year and still have probably like a month and a half to go in the year. So let me show you where all that goes down. Now, I'm still working on a few things, but a lot of it is pretty good. It's pretty good to go. So as you notice here, top secret security. So I gotta put in my code, but I'm gonna cover it up. We're ready. Welcome to Founders Real Estate Group. So right when you walk in the door, you're gonna be met with our large emblem. So this is part of the Founders logo. I just wanted it to be just big and bold, like right when you walk in the door. This is the office, and it's a pretty good size. Probably, actually it's around like 1,800 square feet, but coming right around the corner, you're gonna see our values. This is what we govern ourselves by. This is how we conduct our business, and they're right there big on the wall for everyone to see. Now, if you are visiting the office, so say that you're coming in for an appointment, you're a client, we're just gonna take you directly into our consultation room, which is right here. Sorry that this box is on the ground, but this is our consultation room. So in this room, there is the TV that you can stream to your laptop and show whatever presentation. If you have a lot of people, there's more seating over there, and this is where it all goes down. This is where we get the contract signed. Sometimes we have closings, all that good stuff. Let's go to the kitchen right quick. So I really like the kitchen area. Everything that we need. So we have our coffee bar right over here. In the coffee bar, there's snacks and mugs and all that kind of stuff that you need, but I really love this wall because I'm all about good energy, good vibes, and this is just a reminder. You know, the kitchen is kind of an important place, so this is just a reminder that we always want to have good vibes. Right here in front of me, this is our listing agent's office, and it's still pretty early right now, so not a lot of people are in, but I'm pretty sure, and I gotta be quiet because this is where like cold calls go down and stuff. So yeah, he's on the phone.
Yeah. No, I totally understand. Okay. Well, let me get off the phone and I'll email you with an update later today.
KP, what's up, man?
What's going on?
What you in here making cold calls?
Yeah, always. You know how
How's
it is.
it going?
It's going good. You all creeped up in here. I didn't hear you. Oh,
Yeah,
you got the camera in here today?
I was trying to be quiet so we wouldn't disturb you.
Oh, no, you didn't. Honestly, you didn't.
You got a lot going on?
Yes, always.
Okay.
But have 2 appointments this week and gonna hopefully get those listings and get them going.
All right, man. We won't bother you.
Yeah, thank you.
I'll let you get back to it. So yeah, the reason why that office is closed off is because it's just cold calling all the time, and just to not disturb everybody, we have that office, we have a door there. Let me take you into some of the sales stuff. So this is what we call the pit. This is the big sales pit. At this front desk, this is where our receptionist sits, office manager, whatever you want to call them. So right when you walk in, you'll be greeted by them. But this is the sales pit. So a lot of the buyer's agents and leasing sit out here. They have their own desks. They get things done. Oh, let me show you this. So this is our yearbook for this year. It just got done. And it just kind of recaps the year and who we are, what we stand for, everybody, our values, vision stuff, kind of talks about what we did throughout the year. So this is something that all of our clients that we've worked with through this year will get. It's nice. Everybody signed the back of it. It's really cool. We have some testimonials in there showing some of our collateral and pieces, which actually, let me show that right quick. So speaking of pieces and collateral, You'll come in here, whatever you need. These are just like one sheets you can use for anything. This is our sold book. We keep this updated, and we just put a bunch of sold properties in there. Actually, I think this is the old one, but you can take this on your appointments to show clients. We have folders to put all of your presentation materials in. I don't even know what all is in here, actually. Listing books and all that good stuff. So all that stuff gets put in there. All right, let's get back to the pit. So in the pit, a few things go on over here. As you can see, this is kind of our main area right here, just main sales area. Oh, I'm gonna talk about the wheel. The wheel. This is the sale wheel. Actually, this is a whole operation, and it starts up at the clock. So every day we have something called Power Hour, and that's 2 hours of calling on the phones, generating business, all that. So when Power Hour starts, 2 hours go up on that clock, and that's what keeps track. Whenever someone makes an appointment, what they have to do is they come push the bell right there, and then they'll take this marker and they'll put a slash next to their name. Whoever at the end of Power Hour has the most appointments set for the day, they will come and spin this wheel, and whatever it lands on, they get. So I just got a $5 Starbucks gift card, whole $5 Starbucks gift card. So that's what happens there. And then on this TV, we show a lot of presentations. We normally have our numbers streaming, things like that. Look at these chairs, actually. I love these chairs. It's like a work of art. They belong in a museum or something. Moving right along, this is kind of the media marketing office in here. Brendan, Nico, they're all in here. You see lots of video stuff and all that good stuff. What I really love about this office is we have our goals here on the wall. The goals that we set for 2020 are all here on this wall. This is about to change out because we're about to go in 2021 and we have new goals, but they're all here on the wall for everyone to be reminded of when they're picking up prints or anything like that. Moving right along, we have George, who is currently our office manager. This is his office. He gets it done in here. It's really nice. And then this is Chrissy. So she is my executive assistant or chief of staff, whatever you want to call her. So her main job is just to get my coffee every day, and that's why she's out here. I'm just kidding. That's not her main job, but no, she does.
The most important.
That's the most important, exactly. She does a lot for me. As you all know, I have multiple businesses, and so she works on all of my stuff. Why is your screen flickering like that?
Jason.
What's happening? Is it that computer?
I doesn't even, it's...
Okay, we'll figure it out. Over here, this is Joshua, Director of Sales. This is his office.
What's going on?
What's up, buddy? You're not really working?
Working away.
Where's all your papers and stuff?
I got my plans here and I'm working on some numbers.
Okay. All right, so that's where it all, sales stuff goes down in there. And then I'm gonna take you to my office. My office is here in the back. This is where I spend most of my time. As you can see, I have my little setup here, video stuff for the videos. Come around here, my favorite part of the office. And I'm gonna show you what I do. But I felt like it was important to have some type of space where I could just like chill a little bit, because I typically put like hours and hours and hours in, and you know, instead of just feeling like I need to go home, if I want to, you know, chill out, I can just do it here and then get right back to it. So that's the office. Thank y'all for tuning in, coming by. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know down in the comments what you thought about the office, if I should add anything, and I'm interested in knowing like how your office looks. So thanks for coming by. I'll talk to you soon.